guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Spicy Seed. Today I'm excited to share with you a recipe for a delicious cabbage stir fry that's perfect for any occasion. It's easy to make and you can eat it with boiled rice, noodles, yam or even plantain. So to start, I first chopped up some red peppers, onions and garlic. Then I separated the cabbage leaves and washed them in salty water before chopping them up as well. Next, I heated up some olive oil in a pan and fried the garlic and onions with some seasoned chicken. Once the chicken turned golden brown, I removed it from the pan and set it aside. After that, I fried some more garlic and onions in the same pan and then added the red peppers and chopped cabbage as well as the seasoned meat. To that, I also added 2 spoons of tomato puree alongside some sesame seed oil, dark soy sauce and some oyster sauce. I then stir fried everything together until it was well combined and cooked through. Oh my god, the smell of the cabbage stir fry was amazing, and I couldn't wait to try it out. I added some boiled noodles and the dish was complete. It was absolutely delicious. Thank you for tuning in to my vlog, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make this cabbage stir fry. Be sure to try it out for yourself and let me know how it turns out. I'll see you again in my next vlog. It's your girl Spicy C. Bye bye.